Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a closed DM on Discord without being friends. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So there's two ways of going about this. The first way would be to head into Google and just type Discord data download. So you just want to go ahead and search that and click on this top link here, and here it will tell you exactly how you can do it, or you can head straight into Discord and I'll show you that method. Now okay, so we're in Discord now, so what you want to do is go into the bottom left corner where you can find this cog, which will take you to user settings. Select that and then choose privacy and safety, which is the third option down. From here, just want to scroll down to the very bottom, and here's a button request all of our data. So what you want to do is request that data, and then you can just look back through old messages and you're able to find the closed DM that you did previously have. So it might take a little while for the Discord to get back to you of the data. I'm guessing if you have a lot of data, it can take longer as well. However, once you've done this, Discord will get back to you and you will receive a load of folders and notes files, which you can then look through and then just read the text as it is. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.